Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then we can enter the date and time, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are right now inactive. It is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options. And as you can see right now, we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar, simply pick the date we want to use. For example, this one, tap on OK. The same situation with the time from this clock. You can pick the one you'd like to set. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, pick the region, and here you will be transferred to the list of available ones, so just find yours and tap on it. Let me pick Monaco. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Be aware about that. Here you've got also the time format, and currently we are using this kind of, I would say, manual option, so you can manually decide which format you want to use. Currently we are using 24-hour one. If you want to use 12-hour one, just turn off this option and it will be also immediately applied. However, if you want to set it kind of automatically, just pick use local default and your device will automatically decide which one should be applied. So basically, this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, if you want, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switches here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.